The law of you experience the life you focus on. Welcome to the world of universal laws and fundamental principles, where the power of your thoughts and focus determines your life experience. The law of you experience the life you focus on is a concept that states that your reality is shaped by what you focus on, think about, and pay attention to. This means that whatever you give your attention to, you will feel, regardless of its actual existence. This is a fundamental principle that governs the functioning of our lives and has been proven to be true time and time again. In this talk, we'll delve deep into the workings of the law of you experience the life you focus on and how you can harness its power to create the life you desire. What is the law you experience the life you focus on? The law of you experience the life you focus on is a concept that suggests that our lives are directed by what we have chosen to focus on. Every thought we think and every decision we make reflects the energy we decided to prioritize and ultimately the life we experience we attract. It's no secret that if you put your attention on something, you will tend to start seeing more evidence and opportunities related to it, creating a snowball effect. The key is to be mindful of what thoughts you decide to give power to and create from them, as this will determine how you perceive yourself and the world around you. By understanding this law, you can actively shape your reality for the better, mastering your destiny rather than letting it control you. This law explains why it's so important to control your focus and choose where you direct your attention. Your thoughts have power and influence over every area of your life, both positively and negatively. They are the root of all of your experiences. If you focus on feelings of happiness, joy, and abundance, those feelings are more likely to occur in your life. On the other hand, if you keep reliving negative experiences or focusing on lack, these will be the predominant emotions you experience in life. Learning how to manage and bring awareness to what you are focusing on is key to achieving positive outcomes throughout your journey. The law of you experience the life you focus on reminds us that we can create positive change in our lives by taking control of what we think about each day and remaining mindful of our mental state. Believe it or not, your life experience is shaped by the thoughts you choose to think, with each thought and living a certain emotion in their wake. This law has proven to be an invaluable tool for countless people on the path for personal transformation. Focusing on those thoughts, which brings about feelings of joy and abundance, will open doors for greater experiences in life. On the contrary, choosing to dwell on negative thoughts will only lead to more of the same experience. This law serves as a powerful reminder that our minds are incredibly powerful forces and to use them wisely by continually practicing staying in the place of gratitude and optimism towards life. Understanding how your thoughts shape your reality. Have you ever noticed that your life seems to be a reflection of your thoughts and beliefs? If so, you're tapping into the powerful fundamental principle. The law of you experience the life you focus on. This law states that your entire life experience is controlled by what you think, pay attention, and focus on. The principle behind this law is simple yet profound. Whatever you focus on, you'll feel, whether it's real or not. In other words, your thoughts and beliefs determines your perception of reality, and your perception of reality shapes your experiences. So if you want to change your life, you must change the way you think. Start paying attention to the thoughts that dominate your mind and ask yourself if they serve you. If not, replace them with positive, empowering thoughts that align with your goals and desires. Here are a few practical suggestions to help you put the law of you experience the life you focus on into practice. Number 1, Cultivate mindfulness. Become aware of your thoughts and emotions and choose to focus on what you want rather than what you don't want. Number 2, practice gratitude. Focusing on what you're thankful for, no matter how small, will help you attract more of what you want in your life. Number 3, surround yourself with positivity. Seek out people, books, and media that lifts you up and inspires you. Number 4, visualize your goals. Imagine yourself living the life you want as vividly and realistically as possible. By embracing the law you experience the life you focus on, you can take control of your life and create the reality you desire. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality, so make sure that they're serving you. Your entire life experience is controlled by what you think. Your entire life experience is controlled by what you think, pay attention to, or focus on. One of the key principles of the law of you experience the life you focus on is that your thoughts, attention, and focus shape your reality. This means that if you want to create a different reality, you need to change the way you think, pay attention to, or focus on things. For example, if you consistently focus on negative experiences and outcomes, you will attract more negativity in your life. On the other hand, if you focus on positive experiences and outcomes, you will attract more positivity into your life. The same goes for what you pay attention to. If you're constantly surrounding yourself with negative news, media, and people, you'll find it hard to maintain a positive outlook. But if you surround yourself with positive and uplifting information, you will find it easier to maintain a positive and optimistic mindset. Therefore, it's crucial to be mindful of your thoughts and what you pay attention to. Try to cultivate a positive outlook and make an effort to focus on the things that bring you joy and happiness. This will help you create a life that aligns with your desires and aspirations. The law of you experience the life you focus on is a powerful principle that states that your thoughts, focus, and attention shape your reality. And by being mindful of your thoughts and what you pay attention to, you can take control of your life and create the reality you desire. Start paying attention to your thoughts that dominate your mind. One of the key steps to put the law of you experience the life you focus on into practice is to start paying attention to the thoughts that dominate your mind. Our thoughts are like running dialogues in our heads, and if we don't pay attention to them, they can control us. By becoming aware of your thoughts, you can gain control over them and start to change them. Take a moment each day to reflect on the thoughts that are running through your mind. Ask yourself if they're serving you or not. If they don't serve you, replace them with positive and more empowering thoughts. It's important to remember that our thoughts are just habits, and habits can be changed. With practice, you can train your mind to think more positively and attract more positive experiences into your life. As you become more mindful of your thoughts, you'll start to notice a shift in your life. You'll begin to feel more in control, and you'll attract more positive experiences into your life. This is the power of the law. This is the power of the law you experience the life you focus on. Paying attention to the thoughts that dominate your mind is an important step to putting the law of you experience the life you focus on into practice. By becoming aware of your thoughts and changing them to serve you, you can take control of your life and create the reality you desire. Seeing the good in every situation. One of the key experiences of the law of you experience the life you focus on is to make an effort to see the good in every situation and focus on the positives, even if things don't go as planned. This habit can help you maintain a positive outlook even in challenging situations and attract more positive experiences in your life. When things don't go as planned, it's easy to focus on the negatives and feel frustrated angry, or disappointed. However, if we can train our minds to see the good in every situation, we can shift our perspective and find the positives even in the most challenging situations. For example, if you're passed up for a promotion at work, instead of dwelling on the negatives, try to see the good. Maybe the promotion wasn't the right fit for you, and now you have opportunities to explore other career paths. Perhaps you can use this as an opportunity to develop new skills or improve in your current role. By making an effort to see the good in every situation, you'll start to attract more positive experiences in your life. You'll become more resilient, and you'll find it easier to maintain a positive outlook, even in challenging situations. Seeing the good in every situation is a key aspect of the law of you experience the life you focus on. And by focusing on the positives, even when things don't go as planned, you can maintain a positive outlook and attract more positive experiences into your life. The law of you experience the life you focus on is a powerful principle that has the ability to shape your reality and determine the life you experience. By focusing on what you want and paying attention to the positive things in your life, you can create a reality that is filled with happiness, abundance, and success. Please remember, whatever you focus on, you will feel. So please, make sure to keep your thoughts and focus on the things that serve you best. Embracing the law of you experience the life you focus on is simple. The law of you experience the life you focus on is a simple yet effective way to control your life and create the reality you desire. So please, start paying attention to your thoughts and focus today, and watch as your life transforms right before your very eyes. I'm Leroy Glover, and I thank you.